don't have knowledge about communicative English, you have to face some problems in your everyday life. I am Nazmul Hassan Obi. Today I will share with you an important topics about communicative English in our everyday life. So watch the full video, learn communicative English and be smart. First of all, invitation. If you invite someone or somebody, actually what should you say? You should say, would you like to take a cup of tea? Or you can say, would you like to have a milk with me today? Or you can say, would you like to have a dinner with me today? The answer of the sentences will be, yes, I would like to take a cup of tea. Or you can say, I would like to have a milk with you today. The next one is apologies. If you make any mistakes in any situation, what should you say? You can say, excuse me, or you can say, I am sorry, or you can say, I am extremely sorry, or you can say, I beg your pardon. The reply of the sentences will be, it's okay, it doesn't matter, or it matters little, or that's alright. The next one is thanks. If you want to thank anybody or somebody, what should you say? You can say thank you or thanks a lot, or you can say many thanks. The reply of the sentences will be welcome or you are most welcome. The next one is good wishes. If you want to wish somebody or someone, what should you say? You can say have a nice journey, or you can say have a nice picnic, or you can say have a pleasant time, or you can say convey my best wishes to your parents, brothers or sisters if the person is absent in front of you. The next one is greetings. If you want to show greetings to anybody or somebody, what should you say? Basically, it depends on occasion. If it is New Year, you can say Happy New Year. If it is Eid festival, you can say Eid Mubarak. Or it is birthday, you can say Happy Birthday. Or if it is anniversary, you can say Happy Anniversary. Or you can say many happy returns of the day. The next one is congratulation. If you want to congratulate someone or somebody, actually what should you say? You can say congratulations, or you can say congratulations on your brilliant success, or you can say congratulations on your great achievement, or you can say congratulations on your brilliant result. The answer of the sentences will be thanks, many thanks, or thanks a lot. The next one is introduction. If you want to introduce someone, first of all, what should you say? You can say, may I know your name please? Or you can say, may I introduce with you? The next one is farewell. If you want to give farewell anybody or somebody, what should you say? You can say, or you should say, bye-bye, or you can say good night, or you can say best of luck, or you can say have a pleasant time. The next one and last of all, friendly communication. If you want to maintain a friendly communication with anybody or anyone in any situation, what should you say? You can say good morning, or you can say good afternoon, or you can say good evening. If you receive any phone call, first of all, what should you say? You can say hello, or you can say hi. This is the most important topics in our everyday life. So, thank you for watching the video.